Alright, what's up everybody? We got a Chester City Cycles ride today. Supposedly a street legal ride. We're gonna see how long that lasts. This is my ride for today. Got the hog out. About to start this puppy up and we out.
Maybe I get faded sometimes. No, that don't change me. Maybe I get faded sometimes, but I can't get much higher now, yeah. Maybe I get faded sometimes. No, that don't change me. Maybe I get faded sometimes, but I can't get much higher now. I'm trying to live in the moment, but make the future the present. You about to see that the shit was more than some
Today is, right?
What?
7th year anniversary. Chester Cycles.
We got a lot of bikes too.
Nowadays, all I hear is nonsense, and everybody's spending no limit. They don't.
No one got license plates and shit. No one got license plates. We're gonna flood out.
What license plate?
Whose bike?
What license plate?
Whose bike is this?
I don't see no license plate.
I seen some other guy riding it.
Well, you saying you want to get that way? Big burn.
Yo, where's your bike at, bro? Where's your bike at? I don't see one out there. No license plate gang out here today. Quote unquote legal ride. No dirt bikes, they say. What's that? Oh yeah, we gotta get BJ's joint with the fresh powder on there. That big ass helmet. I'm just fucking with it. What's this tape here for? No license plate gang today. Yo, come on, let's go find something to fucking hold that puppy in. What we got? Anything good we can use? We're looking for something so Josh can rig his license plate closed. Oh, right there. The copper wire stick thing. Yeah.
Damn.
That's a good John. That's all we needed. Let's roll, baby. Got to do the trick here.
We're gonna have to blur the numbers out.
Need to get a shot of this bad boy real quick before we leave. Can't wait to get my shit going.
And all that hate I hear just get minimized. Too complicated, can't simplify. Tell me the truth, tired of hearing these different lies, cause y'all living different lives. Inside a different time, cooking up like it's dinner time, and you find in your pocket now. Funny, yeah, cause I've been in mine, and I really don't kid a lot, but I really do this a lot. Better check who it's written by. Had to mention that, didn't I? Know the life is so up and down. No, I don't even get surprised. Gotta grind like I used to skate. Had to get all of this in line. Do this shit like it's life or death. Tell me if you gon' live or die. Wonder why they gon' start it beef. Never once was I dissing now. Really gotta get out some more, but I've been in here still inside, rapping all of this shit inside. What I rap, yeah, I still decide. Run it back, yeah, I feel this vibe, but I don't really feel your vibe, so shit kinda kill my high. Maybe I get faded sometimes. No, that don't change me. Maybe I get faded sometimes, but I can't get much higher now, yeah. Maybe I get faded sometimes. No, that don't change me. Maybe I get faded sometimes, but I can't get much higher now, yeah. Yeah. Maybe I get faded sometimes.
Yeah, Hot Boys fucking Vitelli. Yeah, Johnny Z. Johnny Z got the dirt bikes out now.
My God.
Look at that. What's that? Fresh powder on there?
Now hold my shit. What? Hold my shit.
One way shit. I got J Nasty. 19 shit. Let me see that. Let me see that. Ew, Eddie. Let me see that. Let me see that 19.
Is it?
19. Now we're talking my language. Just got, we're down in the city right now. Pulled up in this parking lot. Dirt bikes pulled up. Now we're talking. Talk to me, Jay Nasty.
2019s and up or better. You ain't riding with us.
I got 19 coming soon, probably next week. That's clean. Bend this corner. Bend this corner. Bend that corner. Yeah. That's mandatory. That's freaking mandatory.
We got a whole lot of hitters out here.
Yeah. Maybe I get faded sometimes. When you leave you with nothing else, you gon' get hated sometimes. But fuck you expect, nothing more and nothing less. Hard to pick one, always say a little humble, little flex. Never said I was the best. I know money ain't happiness. I don't trust, don't get back when it's gone, or they think you forget. Y'all just do it for the fans. Understand when I write this, don't need to think out of the box to get the check. I make more amount of talk, shit I ain't even rich yet. Know some people trying to change up, I don't do that for respect. And I'm about to make my mark, hope that y'all about to get set. Know that when I make my mark, that's when y'all gon' get upset. I stay at it all for season, shit don't ever disconnect. I'm never stop until I get it, that's just something they don't get. Maybe I ain't struggle much, still do this shit for discontent. And they said it's all love, shit I don't know where that went. Hold up, yeah. Yeah, tell me what's the deal now. Gotta keep it real, what you feel now. And I ain't pleasing everybody, but they all wanted the appeal now. Know my mind gone, but I'm here now. Yeah, fuck it, no I ain't pretending. Either I ain't going down or they ain't ascending. Sorry teacher, I don't pay attention, but I got a lot going on. I used to have a lot of people by my side, now a lot of them gone. So where am I to go? This my way to cope, try to swim when I'm headed overboard. Gotta flow when I'm in the water, feeling getting hotter. I've been getting caught up in my problems, understand there's some shit I gotta figure out. Need to put it in words to get it out, get rid of the doubt. When in doubt, never look down, you know I'm way up. Now we bout to find out what you're made of. Stacking all the money, gotta save up. Put in work where it's about to take us. Y'all just need to chill, better take a step back. Like a game, you ain't going for the layup. Take the high route, any way you can say that I'm faded. I'ma do this till the day I can say that I made it. And past that, only reason that I do it for the music and the day that I get paid to fucking be famous. Do this for the fam, who you think I keep it real for? If this don't apply to you, what I need your appeal for? I don't need no sympathy, tell me now who you feel for. When you do it solo, then fuck you need a deal for. Swear that you had it 1 minute, then out of thin air. Shit just gon' disappear, never frontin', now I'm looking in the rear. Or if I don't do it for myself and I don't do it for nobody, then shit, what I'm here for. Yeah, tell me what's the deal now. Lot of stress, how I deal. Don't think about it, it's ideal. Got a show coming up, don't trip on the shit. I feel like I'm about to hit the pill. You see, I'm really putting work in like I'm in the field. Line it up, I'm going for the kill. Solo grind getting real out here, but I was never looking for a deal around here. It's kinda hard to focus cause I've been under a lot of stressing. Shouldn't take more than one time for you to learn a lesson. Always do what I gotta, what you expect. But when push come to shove, but they don't ever apply the pressure. I've been at it since I had a lesson. Said it before, I say it again. Not if I had to chat a been like that from the start, don't wanna give that impression. Same question, they like where the fuck you been at? Shit, I just been recording, not everybody's supportive. I'm trying to keep moving forward to where I'm headed. I'm on the map like a tourist, I'm really running like Forrest. You see, it's really important what I intended. Remember, showers cold in the morning, my mama couldn't afford it. I know she did what she could, so give her credit. And I guess I can say that it's more than whatever happened before. And I'm on the mic like I'm Jordan until the ending. So run it, a lot of shit that happened while you acting like it's nothing. And fuck all the talking, see, cause I ain't up for discussion. Cooking up in the kitchen, I got some shit in the oven. I don't do this for riches, they told me that shit is coming. Really, I've been working, they wondering where I be at, cause I just get to the buzzing. Tell me something, who I do it for. If I don't do it for myself and I don't do it for nobody, then shit, what I'm here for. I ain't stressing about a thing, hoping you would do the same. Sorry that I can't explain, shit is more than just a game to me. I'm way above it, check the name, they still think this shit a phase to me. Look, simple and plain, I've been sticking to my lane. You should probably do the same, need your own space. Everybody go through change, pray to God that I sustain. Shit what they want, I can't be someone I ain't. I won't do something I can't. How did I get here? Know that it's from my decisions, can't let nobody take the blame. Don't tell no lie, it's true man, you get what you put in. But do you put in enough time? I feel the vibe, not from sipping on this drink. Maybe it's just all the dank, can't get more faded, it feel like it easing the pain. I just can't smoke my problems away.
got back from the ride, made it back to the shop. Everybody back safe and sound. About to cook up some burgers. Today was dope. Hope you liked the video. We had to hop right back on the grill. Gotta eat. I'm not gonna let you in on the secret. The one flip. One flip.
These shoes are gonna be the key.
What should we call it? The trick is only flip it once. Flip it once. This is gonna be a cooking vlog. What's that?
Burgers?
Burgers a situation?
Like 3 burgers left.
Can I get one?
You ain't gonna get no bun.
Are they already off the shelf?
Yeah. The guys made it back safe.
I can live with chips.
I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to put you on. Trying to put you on to these burgers. You only gotta flip them once. Yeah. Well, one's not, but there's no bun for the last one.
I'll eat it.
J Nash, WTS with the shits. They gonna make this happen. Boom.